guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my 12 step everything shower routine. So these steps are not like washing the face step 1. No, it's gonna be real steps and like real self-care, okay? Also, please don't mind how I look. I literally look like some pigeon who just escaped like wires or something. Because my hair, oh my god, I haven't washed my hair since like 6 days I think, and that is the longest for me. I usually wash my hair in like 3 to 4 days, 4 days max, because I just have that oily hair texture. I'm in desperate need of an everything shower. Step 1 is hair oiling. I don't want it to fall, but this is the oil that my mother makes, and this is like hibiscus and just some other flowers, and I don't know what she does, but she does an amazing job. My hair fall was uncontrollable like 2 years ago, and after I started using this oil, it has been a game changer for me. But first I'm gonna detangle my hair with a wooden comb. I just take I'm just gonna massage it on my hair like really nicely and give myself a little scalp massage. I just made a bun and I'm gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes. Until then, I usually shave my face, but I actually shaved my face literally yesterday night because I had to go somewhere. Really sorry, but you have watched me shaving my face like thousands of times, so it's actually good that you're not gonna be bored of it. So yeah, I'll see you in 20 minutes. Welcome back, you guys. So now I faced a little issue. It was that my electricity went out, so I could not like film because of the lighting and everything, and I just did a face mask and then I moisturized my body. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did. Okay, for face mask I used my mom's recipe, which is right here, and I've been using it since so many years now, and it just works magical, and it is kind of why my skin is the way it is. And now for the moisturizing part, for my body lotion, I got this Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramel Body Lotion with cocoa butter. It looks like this, and oh my god, this is the best purchase that I've ever made. I use this like 3 to 4 times, and I can totally tell a difference because I have a very sensitive skin and it is also dry, so like the worst kind, you know. All the body scrubbing and loofah and everything, my skin just felt super dry, and I just could not like wait for the electricity to come and then I can film. So I just moisturize my body. I use this body lotion, and also this smells amazing. This smells like vanilla and a little bit of caramel. I don't know, but it smells amazing and I love it honestly. Now for the face, I usually go for the Pond's Super Light Gel, but today, as I did all the face mask, shaving, I did like yesterday night, and then face wash, so I just felt like super dry. So for that super dry feeling, I usually use the Vaseline Glutathione cream. Also, this is like almost empty, as you can see, like that's just how much I love it. I use this for my nighttime routine usually, and for the day I used Bond's one, but today I just felt super dry, so I used this one. And now for my favorite part, which are my lips, I use the Kylie Skin lip butter. It looks like this. I'm gonna show you. Wait, I got this recently. My sister got this from UK for me, so thanks to her. It looks like this, and I absolutely love it. It is so hydrating, and it is so much like it is so much bigger than the Rhode peptide, which I'm not comparing, but yeah, like I think you should give like a good size for the money you're asking for, and I absolutely love how this is the perfect size for like lips. Now coming to my hair, I didn't do my hair, I waited. I used to use the microfiber one, but then I just stopped for some reason, and now I just use like a regular towel. I know it's not the best for your hair, but it works for me, so I just let it be. Now the next step would be my hair serum. This is the Matrix Beverage Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum, and this is my fifth or fourth bottle, and I absolutely love it. It controls my frizz so much. I just take like 2 to 3 drops and I just warm it in my hands, and then I gather all my hair, and now I just like I don't apply it on my scalp because obviously like it is oil based, so my scalp can get um, oily faster than it already does, because that's like a big issue for me. But yeah, I love this hair serum. And next, I usually let it air dry, at least like 70% air dry, and then I go in with my iconic 2-in-1 styler, or I just let it be and do heatless curls at the night, or I just go in with a straightening iron after it's all like dry. Those were like 3 to 4 steps now, and again, another step is having a cute PJ on. Trust me, it works amazingly, because like as soon as you get in like a cute PJ or like a good like outfit, you just automatically feel so much better. And of course, for like the pink or black PJs, it literally feels like a Victoria's Secret one. I'm just kidding, but it does, okay? And I love it. Now I'm just gonna go to my family and spend some time with them, because I've been sitting here having my everything here for like 3 years, 3 hours now. I said 3 years. But it felt like 3 years, honestly. So yeah, that was my 12 step everything shower. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you'd wish to see from me next, and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really happy to come along to my YouTube journey, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, take care, bye.